Now somewhere out here is a cat named Monkey Boy. Oh, here he comes. That's the monkey. And he's out here. And I think he's trying to tell me something here. He's on the porch. Yeah, there he is. There he is. I think he's trying to tell me he's done playing out there and he wants to come in. Right? Is that what you're trying to tell me, Monkey Boy? Yeah, but you don't know how to open that door. You're gonna need some help. Aren't you, Monkey Boy? Figure it out. Let's see if he knows what he's doing here. Maybe we open it over there, huh? Can you open it? Can you open it, Monkey Boy? No? Let's see what you could do here. How about now? Is that better? Can you get in? Can you get in? Is that better? More room there now? No? A little more? How about that? Is that better? Not yet? No? Come on. Is that better? Can you get in now? Oh, there you go. It's still kind of tight, huh? Still kind of tight. Let's see. Is that better? Try that now. Try that. There you go. Well, still kind of tight, huh? Yeah, we'll get it. We'll get it. Now you got it. Oh, he got it. He got it. Good boy.